Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start while staying safe and stable. First, stop and choose a shaded, crouched position near cover so light won't blind you. This protects your eyes and position. Once done, tell a nearby teammate or give a quick tap to signal removal, because coordination prevents friendly fire and confusion. Next, make sure your weapon is secure, sling or safe it, so both hands are free. Move deliberately. Speed without control risks dropping the goggles or exposing your location. Proceed to the removal grip. You now perform the precise removal. Place your thumbs at the hinge or release points and support the rear of the housing with fingers, because steady support prevents a drop. Tilt your head forward about 15 degrees so the optics move away from your eyes. This reduces sudden light and helps you see the mount. Press the release lever or unsnap the quick release with a single, controlled motion. Don't jerk. Once freed, slide the unit forward off the bridge of your nose and lower it slowly to chest level. Finish by stowing the goggles correctly so they are ready next use. Fold or rotate the optics per your model and place them in a padded pouch or clip them to a chest strap. This prevents scratches and keeps hands free. If you plan extended downtime, power off and remove batteries to avoid corrosion, especially if you saw fogging or condensation. If the mount is stuck, don't force it. Flex the mount slightly to relieve tension, then attempt the release again. That resolves most jams.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.